Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well and doing your work sincerely. Today, we are going to start our lesson 8, that is Outstanding Sports Women. ये है वुमेन का प्लूरल है वीमेन। तो जो हमारा सिंगुलर होता है WOMAN होता है, उसका प्लूरल होता है WOMEN। सिंगुलर वाले को हम वुमेन कहते हैं और प्लूरल वाले को हम वीमेन कहते हैं। सो द चैप्टर इज अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स वीमेन। ओके, आउटस्टैंडिंग स्पोर्ट्स वीमेन। First, we are given with question, how often do you have a PT period in a month? कि एक मंथ में आपके कितने PT पीरियड होते हैं। Do you enjoy playing in the ground with others? You are to write answer of these questions yourselves. Which games do you like to play? Can you identify the games that are depicted in these pictures? Means the games which are shown in these pictures. First, second, third, fourth. Very easy. Football, hockey, cricket, and this is golf. Now move to our reading. Next page. This lesson is about sports women. The utility of sports and games is known to all. Utility means benefits, uses of sports and game is known to all. It is important that we have a healthy body and mind. Sports is not only a form of recreation. कुछ नया करने ही की फॉर्म नहीं होती है स्पोर्ट्स, बट इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स वन टू स्टे फिट एज वेल एज हेल्दी। लेकिन ये हमें फिट रहने में और हेल्दी रहने में भी हेल्प करते हैं। Sports is an integral part. Integral part means important part of development and the growing up years of a student's life. Good sports persons are a source of inspiration to many. जो हमारे अच्छे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन होते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स जो गेम खेलते हैं अच्छे, वो जो पर्सन होते हैं वो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन देते हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चों को इंस्पिरेशन देते हैं, मोटिवेट करते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग स्टूडेंट्स। Let us find out how Shoma took a decision that would lead her to success. कि शोमा ने क्या डिसाइड करा जिसकी वजह से वो सक्सेस हो जाए। So dear students, there are many sports person, PV Sindhu and Sachin Tendulkar and many names are there in sports world. You also have your favorites. आपके भी फेवरेट्स हो सकते हैं अलग अलग गेम के। सो यू शुड रीड अबाउट देम एंड यू शुड टेक सम इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम देम। ओके, नाउ स्पोर्ट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर हेल्थ। ओके, स्टार्ट। द टीचर एंटर्ड द क्लास एंड अनाउंस्ड, ओके, चिल्ड्रन टुडे यू हैव टू गिव योर नेम्स for the various new clubs that are being formed at the beginning of this new session. तो चिल्ड्रन क्लास टीचर क्लास में एंटर होती हैं और अनाउंस करते हैं कि चिल्ड्रन टुडे यू हैव टू गिव योर नेम्स, आपके नेम्स देने। फॉर व्हाट पर्पस? फॉर न्यू क्लब्स दैट वर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ न्यू सेशन, जो कि न्यू सेशन में क्लब्स बनाए गए हैं। देन मुकेश, वन चाइल्ड, गोट अप एंड सेड, Ma'am, what are the various clubs that we can join? He is asking to ma'am. After listening from the teacher, teacher is saying that you are to join various club. Now, Mukesh is asking, ma'am, what are the various clubs? Then teacher is saying, you see, children, a child can join only one club. Okay, the choice is yours. You may join the dramatic clubs, music club, book club, art and craft club, cricket club, football club, swimming club or lawn tennis club. So there are various clubs that the teacher told to Mukesh: dramatics, music, book, art and craft, cricket, football, swimming and lawn tennis. Thank you, ma'am, said Mukesh, looking happy. Now Mukesh is happy and obviously many other children were also happy when they are going to join clubs. So all the children joined the clubs of their choice. Shoma had great interest in watching badminton and lawn tennis matches on TV. Means Shoma had interest in badminton and lawn tennis. She opted means desired, इच्छा रखना, for the lawn tennis club. It was like a dream come true for her because she often watched Roger Federer, Sania Mirza, Rafael Nadal, Serena Williams play lawn tennis. How many players are mentioned here? Roger Federer, Sania Mirza, Rafael Nadal and Serena Williams, whom that Shoma often watch. She also loved to watch Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu play badminton. Okay, बैडमिंटन खेलते हुए साइना नेहवाल को देखना और पीवी सिंधु को बैडमिंटन खेलते हुए देखना को शोमा को अच्छा लगता था. On the first day, the coach, who is coach of which coach? किस कोच की बात हो रही है? लॉन टेनिस क्लब जो कि शोमा ने ज्वाइन किया है उसका जो कोच था मिस रजनी सेन. Miss Rajni Sen was coach of lawn tennis club, told the members of the lawn tennis club that they needed to exercise every day and play the game with all earnestness. Earnestness means sincerity and truthfulness, with full hard work and ट्रूथफुलनेस. बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है. तो कोच ने क्या बताया कि भाई आपको डेली एक्सरसाइज करनी है एंड प्ले द गेम विद ऑल अर्नेस्टनेस. She said, "Welcome to this club. We will begin with warm-up exercises. But you must practice every day afternoon after classes in the 40-minute zero period. After classes, there will be a zero period that will be of 40 minutes. With regular practice, you can learn to play lawn tennis well." These are the wording of a teacher, that coach Rajni Sen. You should also read about the life and achievements of great sports person. Coach is telling to the member of the lawn tennis club. This will inspire you to excel in the game. Excel means बहुत अच्छा करना, बढ़ाना. I am hopeful that you will play at the inter-school now. Coach is inspiring them that I am hopeful that you will play at inter-school, state, national and even इंटरनेशनल लेवल वन डे. तो क्या कह रहे हैं कि आप इंटर स्कूल खेलो, स्टेट लेवल पे खेलो, नेशनल लेवल पे खेलो, यहाँ तक कि आप इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर एक दिन खेलो. आई होप फॉर डैट. सो ऑल द बेस्ट. एंड एट लास्ट कोच सेड देम ऑल द बेस्ट. That evening, after going home, Shoma sat with the magazine which had the cover story on PV Sindhu. So, after going home, after taking inspiration, motivation from her coach, Shoma went home and started reading a magazine that had a cover story on PV Sindhu. So, the magazine was about PV Sindhu. She also picked an encyclopedia. Encyclopedia क्या होता है? एक ऐसी बुक जो हमें सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन देती है. अगर हम कुछ भी पूछते हैं तो एनसाइक्लोपीडिया में हम जाकर ढूंढ सकते हैं. With details about Serena Williams. Now, after that, she took magazine on PV Sindhu and picked, उठाई क्या? Encyclopedia with details about Serena Williams. So, these both are women players of badminton. Shoma began to read about PV Sindhu first. So, here you can see in the picture, some children are there. शोमा बिगिन टू रीड. बिगिन सेकेंड फॉर्म है, ध्यान रखा करो इन चीज़ों का. वाइल रीडिंग ट्राई टू लर्न द वोकैबुलरी. बिगिन फर्स्ट फॉर्म होती है BEGIN. बिगिन BEGN सेकेंड फॉर्म है एंड BEGUN हमारी थर्ड फॉर्म होती है. सो इन पास्ट वी आर रीडिंग द लेसन, सो इट इज सेकेंड फॉर्म. शोमा बिगिन टू रीड अबाउट PV Sindhu फर्स्ट. पुशारला वेंकटा सिंधु. व्हाट इज फुल नेम ऑफ PV Sindhu? पुशारला Venkata Sindhu is an Indian professional badminton player. Okay, so her, तो ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, what is the full name of PV Sindhu, है ना? What does she play? क्या खेलती है वो? When did she born? कब वो जन्मी? Born on 5th July 1995. At the 2016 Summer Olympics, 2016 के जो समर ओलंपिक्स थे, शी बिकेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन टू विन एन ओलंपिक सिल्वर मेडल। तो सबसे पहली वो वुमेन थी इंडिया की जिन्होंने 2016 समर ओलंपिक्स में एक सिल्वर मेडल जीता था। सिंधु केम इनटू द लाइमलाइट, यानी कि कब ध्यान गया लोगों का उस पर, व्हेन शी वॉज रैंक्ड इन द टॉप 20 ऑफ द BWF वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग। तो जब पूरे दुनिया की टॉप 20 प्लेयर्स में उसका नाम आया तो लोगों ने उसका मीन्स उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्शन हुआ, लोग उसके बारे में जान गए। इन सितंबर 2012 शी वॉज जस्ट 17 years old देन। She became the first ever Indian women's singles player to win a medal at the Badminton World Championship. So more is written about her that she became the first ever Indian women's single player, okay, to win a medal at Badminton World Championship. In 2015, she was conferred the Padma Shri Award. So this question can be asked that in 2015 with what she was conferred. So she was conferred the Padma Shri Award. Shoma took a deep breath. Now Shoma is reading about PV Sindhu, and PV Sindhu has won many medals and many tournaments. So she is thinking, taking deep breaths, thinking that how good she is at her game, and continued to read. Now again started reading. PV Sindhu's parents played professional volleyball. Now PV Sindhu's parents were volleyball player. 2000 her father PV Raman was awarded the Arjuna Award. Her father name was also PV, started with PV Raman was awarded the Arjuna Award. In 2000 he was awarded Arjuna Award for his contribution to Indian volleyball. Sindhu was inspired by the success of Pulela Gopichand. So who was her motivator? उसका motivator कौन था? Pulela Gopichand, the 2001 All England Open Badminton champion. So more is told about Pulela Gopichand. He was All England Open Badminton champion in 2001 and decided to play badminton. Now Sindhu was inspired by Pulela Gopichand and decided to play badminton after inspiring. She began to play from the age of 8. She started playing at the age of 8. She was first trained under Mehboob Ali. Her first trainer was Mehboob Ali at the badminton courts in Secunderabad. Okay, first coach was Mehboob Ali. Then she joined the Gopichand Badminton Academy. Now after that she went to Gopichand Badminton Academy. She won praise for always reporting on time for coaching. Praise means उसकी तारीफ होती थी हमेशा. For what? On time. She always on time for coaching and would travel about 56 kilometers from her home. Means her home was very far away from the academy, but she reached on time always. She put in a lot of hard work and was totally committed to excel in the game. She did a lot of hard work and was totally committed. Committed means very serious in her game, very dedicated to excel, to do good in the game. Gopichand appreciated means to praise somebody, lauded her never say die spirit. never say die spirit इसका मतलब है कभी ना ख़त्म होने वाली जो उसके अंदर स्पिरिट थी, उसके अंदर इच्छा थी गेम को खेलने की. सो गोपीचंद appreciated her for the same. PV Sindhu has won several medals at various matches and represented India at international level. She played many matches and represented India many times at the international level also. She also won a silver medal at the Asian Games 2018. She won silver medal at the Asian Games 2018. Shoma realized that she needed to work extremely hard and with complete dedication to master the game. Now Shoma is reading about PV Sindhu, and now she realized that she also need to work very hard to do very good in the game. She took some rest and watched TV for some time. Serena Williams, if you have remembered that she picked the encyclopedia to read about Serena Williams. Serena Williams was playing at Wimbledon and had won the trophy. Now Shoma started watching TV. In TV, she watched Serena Williams playing at Wimbledon and had won the trophy. Later, Shoma took an encyclopedia and began to read it, and they started reading about her. Her mother called her. Then her mother called her, Shoma, can you come and tidy your room? क्या तुम आ सकती हो और अपने रूम को साफ कर सकती हो? Then what did she say? She said, I will, mom. तो वो क्या कहती है? Yes, mama, कि मैं करती हूँ. Just let me read about Serena Williams. Oh, so you watched the match and want to know more about her? तो उसकी मम्मा क्या कहती है? अच्छा, तुम मैच देख रही हो और उसके बारे में और जानना चाहती हो? Isn't it so? क्या ऐसा नहीं है? Yes, mom, but do this work before you have your dinner. Will you? लेकिन उसकी मदर क्या कहती है? चलो ठीक है, तुम देख सकती हो, बट tidy your room before you have dinner. क्या तुम करोगी? Will you? Then Shoma said, sure, said Shoma, as she began to read Serena Jamaica Williams. What is the full name of Serena Williams? Serena Jamaica Williams. So dear student, we will do up to here only in this video. We have read about PV Sindhu, how much hard work she did to achieve her goal. Okay, now Shoma has started reading about William, that is Serena Williams. This is for this video. Let's move ahead.